Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net and sailingweather.co.uk, the Sailing Weather Information Service. Thanks for watching. It's Monday the 9th of June and this is your week ahead and weekend outlook. Now don't forget to spread the word to your friends about these forecasts. Tell your clubs and tell your marinas. I know many of you have done that already, so thanks for doing that. But the more people we can get watching, the more frequent I can get these updates online. So here's the forecast for Tuesday then. Quite a breezy one actually through the channel on Tuesday, particularly through western areas. We're looking here at southwesterlies coming in, probably blowing at around about a 5, but question marks over it whether it could touch a 6 just around the far southwest of Cornwall. Through the eastern channel, I think southwesterlies here at 4s and 5s. Southern parts of the Irish Sea as well could be southwesterlies at 5s. Northern parts of the Irish Sea probably southwesterlies nearer a 4. For the west of Scotland, west southwesterlies at 3s. Eastern Scotland southwesterlies at 3s, and the east of England southwesterly at 3 as well. What we need to watch out for though are sea breezes developing during the afternoon, particularly across eastern and southeastern coasts. On to Wednesday, and still got high pressure and control across the south of the country. Now, an increased risk of sea breezes on Wednesday afternoon through the channel, and I think we're going to be finding speeds in the morning of a 2, picking up to around about a 4 at times in those sea breezes in the afternoon. Of course, you know that the sea breezes around the coast will just be very localised, and it's very difficult to give a general direction, but overall we're going to be looking at southerlies along the southern coast, probably southeasterlies around the coast of East Anglia, southwesterly to westerly for much of western Wales. So, northern parts of the Irish Sea, though, here, not so much of a sea breeze, southwesterlies here at around a 4. Western Scotland, we're going to be looking west-southwesterlies at a 4. I think we could be looking westerly at 5 across northern Scotland, west-southwesterly at a 4 for eastern Scotland. And for eastern parts of England, west-southwesterly at 3s or 4s, but I think with sea breezes developing here in the afternoon, we'll find a complete reversal. The winds coming in as an east-northeasterly at 4s during the afternoon as those sea breezes set in. Thursday, more sea breezes across many southern parts of the country. However, the front you see up towards the north there may bring sufficient cloud just to suppress temperatures across northern parts of Wales, northern parts of England, and I think that will tend to ease the sea breezes. But elsewhere, having been a 1 or a 2 during the morning, I think we are going to be picking up during the afternoon, and those local sea breezes setting in, becoming a 3 or a 4. Northern coasts of France, a bit different there. We've got a northeasterly here blowing at around about a 4, I think, along the northern coast of France. Just something to be aware of. Add on the effect of potential sea breezes in the afternoon, it may just lift that up to a 5 later on. For the north of the Irish Sea, we're looking at southwesterlies here at 4, western Scotland southwesterlies at 4 or 5, and also bear in mind moderate or poor visibility for western Scotland because of some drizzle moving in behind that warm front. Eastern Scotland southwesterlies at 3s, and eastern parts of England generally is southwesterly at 2 or 3, but again a reversal in the afternoon with the sea breeze setting in, becoming an east or northeasterly at a 3 or a 4, but big question mark over that because with that cloud around it may well sit on those sea breezes and suppress them. On to Friday, still got high pressure around, but a cold front is slipping its way southeastwards during the course of the day on Friday. Now, I think what we're going to be finding through the channel is a northeasterly here, blowing it around a 3. Question mark over it whether it may just touch a 4 over eastern, the far east of the channel. And I think around these northern coast of France, we could go northeasterly at 4, perhaps even low end of a 5 across the northwestern parts of France during the course of Friday afternoon. Through the Irish Sea, westerlies here blowing at about a 3 or a 4. Western Scotland westerly at 4. Eastern Scotland westerly at a 4. And eastern parts of England generally westerly at a 3 or a 4. The cold front you see here just bringing a few showers, mainly northern and western parts of Scotland. I suppose there could be a few across the northern parts of the Irish Sea as well, but the effect of that cold front really will be to just shift the wind speed around, the wind direction around, and also to reduce temperatures during Friday afternoon. Then through Saturday, the front is down in the southeast. It may just bring a few showers across the far eastern parts of the channel and also East Anglia, but overall I think many areas are going to be in for a dry day. Winds on Saturday quite breezy through the channel, I think, and northeasterly at around a 4 or a 5 in the western channel, northeasterly at a 6 possibly in the far east of the channel. Just keep an eye on the forecasts for that one. Through the Irish Sea, northerly to north-northeasterly at a 3 or a 4 across western coast of Wales and the far western coast of Cornwall as well. Around Ireland, generally variable here, and I think we're going to be blowing at a 2 or a 3 with sea breezes developing in the afternoon. Western Scotland, westerlies at 3s and possibly getting up to a 4 late on. Eastern Scotland, I think westerly at a 3. Northern Scotland, westerly at 5s here. Eastern parts of England, generally coming in as northeasterly at a 3 or a 4. More towards the 4 in the afternoon as sea breezes set in. And then for Sunday, high pressure still around on Sunday, brings again this northeasterly through the channel. I think we're looking at 5s, possibly a 6 along the northern French coast. Very close to the English coast, though, could be as low as a 4. For the Irish Sea, generally variable here. I think blowing at a 2 or a 3. Western parts of Scotland, westerly at a 3 or a 4, and with that warm front moving through, there'll be drizzle and there'll be moderate or poor visibility across the west of Scotland. For the east of Scotland, we're looking at westerlies here, probably blowing at a 3 or a 4. Northern Scotland, westerlies at 4s, possibly touching low end of a 5, and eastern parts of England, we're looking at a westerly here at around a 2 or a 3. So overall, I think you'd agree, not too bad a week and weekend ahead. Of course, I'll keep you updated on developments through the week, and follow us on Twitter at WXWeb. Get the very latest area forecasts, including a detailed forecast for the Solent and for other areas of the UK from sailingweather.co.uk. Just click on area forecasts. I'll have the next update online for you by 12:30 on Thursday. But for now, thanks again for watching, and whatever you're doing, keep the sun shining, and bye for now.